Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Brother MFC G4620DW, and I can show you how to insert paper cards on this device. So here we have two paper trays, the standard paper tray and additional paper tray on the reverse of the printer. So let's start with the standard paper tray. So to open it, we just need to pull it out. It's very easy to do, as you can see. And here we have this element, and you can open it. And first, I suggest you to adjust the size of the paper tray for your paper cards. As you can see, here we have the info for different type of paper. For example, for I don't see, so sorry. For photo L, for example, for A5, for envelopes, for example, or for A4. Cool. And to change the size, you need to press this button and just change it. Cool. And then, of course, insert the paper cards. For example, I will insert one paper card. Need to make it wider. Cool. And cool, as you can see, the paper card was successfully inserted. Now I need to close this lid, and now we can insert it in printer. And current tray setting is plain paper A4. Change the settings? No, I just inserted the A4 paper card, so no, I don't want to change this setting. And we have an additional paper tray on the reverse of the printer. I'm gonna show you. As you can see, here we have the entrance to the print heads, so we don't need to open this door, okay? So we need to open the upper door, and here inside we have the same mechanism, the same green elements to change the size of in certain paper, and here just load the paper. And yes, it's very important to do it in a horizontal position, not in a vertical position, because this printer we can use only using horizontal position. This is the main settings of this printer. Cool, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.